In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a TikTok video. So once you have loaded up TikTok, the process to create a video is you need to tap the plus icon there in the bottom in the center. That's going to take you to the TikTok camera. Now, a TikTok video, you can see there can be 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. For this example, I'll create a 60-second clip. And then all you need to do is press and hold the record button. That will begin recording your video. So you can just long press on it and it will record your video. Once you're ready to stop, just let go and then that will stop the recording. Now you have different options as to what you can do with your video once you've recorded it. You can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner and now you can begin editing your video. So the first thing that most people do is they add a sound to their TikTok video. So tap on the sounds option right there. TikTok has a lot of sounds that you can choose from. They come up with some right there in the beginning, but if you want to search for one, tap the magnifying glass. That's going to open up the sounds and you can search for a sound at the top there. So if I just search for a song, it's going to bring me up the result. Then I can just add it into my video by tapping on it, then tapping the tick mark. And now that song is added. If you want to change the volume of the sound, tap on the volume option. You can change the original sound volume and the added sound volume with those sliders. Once you've done that, tap the back button. And then the next option that you can add is effects. So you get all these different effects that you can choose from, just like you have on Instagram and things like that. I'm not going to add any. And then if you want to add some text, tap on text and you can just type out your text. It's very simple. And you can resize your text, put it wherever you want, and you can even add stickers. You have different options at the right hand corner of the video. You can have filters, adjust the clips, voice effects, voice over, but that's more advanced and I will be doing videos on those separately. Once you're happy with everything in your video, like your sounds, effects, text, and stickers, tap the next button and then you just need to give your video a caption. You can add your hashtags. Once you've added in your caption, you can tag people, you can set all your settings, and then you can post your video. And most importantly, select your cover for your video. So you can just scrub through the video and select your thumbnail that you want for the video. Then tap on save, and then you can tap on the post button to post that video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.